Setting up an extension ladder. Extension ladders are non-self-supporting type of portable ladder, and require a stable structure for support that can withstand the intended load. Extension ladders usually have two sections that operate with brackets or guides that allow for the ladder to be used at adjustable length. They can be made out of wood, metal, or fiberglass. Extension ladders can be set up in the following 5 steps. Step 1. Keep the ladder in the closed position, and block the bottom of the ladder against the base of the supporting structure. Step 2. Before erecting the ladder, ensure there is clearance, and no electrical lines are overhead. Carefully walk the ladder in a vertical position. Step 3. Firmly grip the ladder, keeping it vertical, and move back from the structure, about 1/4 of the distance of the ladder's working length. Step 4. Raise the fly section, and place 1 foot on the base section. For secure footing, lean the ladder against the supporting structure, keeping in mind the 4-1 setup angle for extension ladders. Step 5. Ensure that both rails are resting firmly and securely against the supporting structure. Secure and tie off the base and top of the ladder where a movement or shift is possible. Use slip-resistant feet where necessary. Once the ladder is set up, lock the top section in place. For access to a roof or other work level, ensure that the ladder extends 3 feet above the roof or top support points. If a worker needs to step around a ladder because of rungs, a grasping device such as a grab rail must be provided to assist workers in mounting and dismounting the ladder.